Hello, so this is Soreno, and we will continue with our chapter called Microorganism. So, in the chapter Microorganism, we have talked about the friendly microorganisms, we have talked about harmful microorganisms, and also something about the type of microorganism. Anyway, so let's continue. So, in the friendly microorganism, I have told you that there are some bacteria which is good in our body, and also they are important in our day-to-day life. Okay, but these bacteria are also important in our environment. Okay, and for this, okay, we will be discussing about nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle, how the bacteria, okay, are helpful in this process. Okay, all right, before we talk about nitrogen fixation, first of all we have to know about nitrogen. So the nitrogens actually are present in the air. Okay, and these nitrogens, okay, are present around 70%. Very huge amount of nitrogen are present in the air. Okay, and these nitrogen are important actually in the formation of protein, vitamins, amino acid like this by the plants. Okay, so that we can utilize them, and which is important for our body. But for your information, these nitrogen which is present in the air are useless actually for the plant. The plant cannot utilize this nitrogen. Then how the plant utilize nitrogen? The plant utilize nitrogen only from the compound called ammonia, NH3. Okay, they can utilize the nitrogen only from this compound. So in that way, how this is possible then? So when the nitrogen, okay, is being absorbed in the soil, okay, when it is absorbed in the soil, then what happened? There are some bacteria which is present, okay, in the roots, okay, and these bacteria, some of them are called rhizobium also sometime. Okay, they are called rhizobium. These bacteria, okay, in the presence of hydrogen, they convert this nitrogen into the compound called ammonia. So in this way, the plant will be utilized or will be able to utilize through the roots, okay, to form or to absorb into their body. So this process by which the nitrogen, the free nitrogen, are being converted into the nitrogen compound called ammonia in the presence of these bacteria is nothing but is called nitrogen fixation. Okay, it is called nitrogen fixation. I hope you understand. Once again, I'll tell you the process in which these nitrogens, okay, free nitrogen, are converted into the compound called ammonia in the presence of the bacteria, okay, are called nitrogen fixation. It is through this process only that the ammonia is formed and the plant are able to utilize. Got it? Okay. Now, next we continue with the nitrogen cycle. What actually is nitrogen cycle? See, some animal, they, they eat plant just like we human being eat plant. That means the nitrogen which is present in the plant now is being used by the animal or even by us. Okay. Now what happened if these animals they die, okay, or the plant also die? Then what happened? This nitrogen which is present in the body of the animal or of the plant, okay, is been, okay, again, dispersed, you can say, okay, through some process of uh, decomposition. Okay, they are, and that also through the health of the bacteria only. Okay, they will be decomposed, and this nitrogen again they will be released into the atmosphere. Okay, then what happened again? Now the atmosphere get back this nitrogen. So again this nitrogen will be again utilized by the rhizobium to form ammonia, again to get uh, or to be utilized by the plant. And again the plant will die, or the animals will die, and again this nitrogen will be again released into the atmosphere. So this cycle, okay, this whole cycle, okay, is called nitrogen cycle. All right, so I hope you got it. Okay, and we will see, okay, in the next class.